I've been seeing this trend pop up lately about cottage cheese ice cream, and I just could not resist having a go at it myself. Of course, I'm giving it my own twist with a classic flavor combo of cottage cheese and pineapple, but in ice cream / dessert form. So let's dive into the recipe. Dice up some cold butter, add that to your bowl, all-purpose flour, sugar, vanilla, a little pinch of salt, and then give it a good mix with a fork. Add just a splash of cold water, not too much. And this is kind of what you're looking for. It holds shape, but is, kind of light and crumbly. You're gonna put it onto a tray. Spread it out a little bit. All right, you're gonna put this into the oven at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for about 10 to 15 minutes, depending on your oven. So you want this to just be nice and golden brown. Oh man, that smells amazing. Super, super simple little garnish or a nice little undercarriage for desserts. Now it's ice cream time. We got our blender top, cottage cheese from the freezer. It's not frozen, but it's cooled down to about 37 degrees. Same with the heavy cream. And it's about equal parts heavy cream to cottage cheese. Next up is sugar. Just a tiny pinch of salt, not too much. Now the fun part, blend it on super high speed until it's really creamy. Crazy good. Woo-wee. Ice cream base is going straight in. There we go. All right, let's check this out. This is turning out so much better than what I thought. All right, it just has a really creamy texture. It's incredible. Oh my gosh, that's incredible. Oh, so creamy. In the freezer for about 30 minutes, maybe 45 to set up so it's really nice and scoopable. All right, oh man, that smells really, really good. Just a really simple crumble. Really, you just want to kind of crunch it a bit. If you want to keep some of these bigger chunks, totally up to you. They are absolutely delicious. Perfect. Put that aside. Pineapple time. Sharp knife, top, bottom. You're just gonna cut down, make your first cut, and then just gonna follow that inner edge. Try to get as much of the eyes as you can as you go down. But it does tell you kind of where to cut. And when you get down to this last little bit, tendency is just to go straight down. You leave a little piece right at the end. I've already done it a little bit on this side. You wanna angle it just towards the inside, so you get that last little piece off. Just keep hitting it up. Don't mind if there's a few eyes left behind. And that's how I like to cut my pineapple. Straight down, try not to cut in the core, really thin slices. Sweet. I'm gonna sprinkle just a little bit of sugar over the top. Well, not too much though, you want it to be pretty fresh. And this is gonna develop kind of like a pineapple glaze right on top of the slices. Similar to like macerated strawberries, so this is basically like macerated pineapple. And we're just gonna put this in the fridge for, I don't know, 10 to 15 minutes before it really develops a nice glaze. Just gonna kind of spread your pineapple, some crumble right on the inside. Kind of make just like a little well. And then a beautiful scoop of that cottage cheese ice cream. Maybe a little crumble on top. And that's it. This is so much better than what I was thinking in my head beforehand. And it kind of gives me a whole new respect for cottage cheese. Man. So good. This is a killer combo. There's lots of different ways you can play around with this idea. Cottage cheese, pineapple, crumble, very simple. You can knock this out, get your ice cream ready, cut your pineapple, make your crumble, and just serve it up buffet style. Just a really fun take on these ingredients, classic ingredients. Hope you guys enjoyed my take on it. If you did, follow, subscribe, like, drop a comment below if you guys want to see more recipes like this. And yeah, I'll see you guys next time with another recipe. Later, folks. Dang, this is good.